morning guys, and welcome back to the Crazy Baker vlog. It's Wednesday and it's a stupid o'clock. Now today I thought I'd bring you guys down to the bakery just to show you something that I make regularly, and most of you buy them from all over the country and all over the world. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make a baker's custard slice. It's made the same way all over the place. The only difference is the custard might be different and the pastry might be different. But for us, we're going to be using frozen puff pastry. Well, actually that's defrosted now. And without any other ado, we'll get on with making custard slices, bakery style. Done the flapjacks. Obviously they've got to be baked and finished. That's okay. So I'm going to show you a little tip I do with doing my no-bake slice. Now, I haven't shared this in the videos before, but it's a very simple thing. All I do is put the biscuits. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It is cheating. Of course, I haven't showed you this before. It is actually broken. It's moving about all over the place, but and it's as simple as that. Okay, you're going to say, but Steve, we've been doing that for years on cheesecake. Okay. But the funny thing is, this machine was in the coffee shop and all they used to use it for was cheese and nothing else. So I just brought it home and I thought, oh, I might as well use it here at home. So that's what I've done. I've brought this machine home and that's it. I'm using it. So what I'm going to do is I'll do a review on this machine. And as you can see, I'm not too bloody happy about it, to be honest, because it's broke here. It's broke here. This thing broke on here. Because a little tip, guys, this stuff is quite clearly can go in a dishwasher. But what they don't tell you, it don't last that long. This is like putting your Shark vacuum cleaner parts in a dishwasher. This stuff that don't last forever and a day, it's plastic. Don't get me wrong, you can get the replacement parts. So I haven't bothered with it at the moment. I thought, oh, I haven't even bothered to find out how much it cost, but I know you can get the parts for it. Because originally this machine was, I think, was nearly over £1,000 to start with. But I picked the whole lot up with a load of bits and pieces. Got all these bits as well. For just over £100. So, okay, if I got to pay out for another one of these, then fair shout, okay. And for your recipe for your no-bake Biscoff slice, you want 360 grams of Biscoff biscuits. You can buy them crumbly. You want 150 grams of butter. You want 45 grams of golden syrup. 225 grams of chocolate. And then whatever the topping is that you guys like. Because we haven't decided yet. Well, the first job you need to do is put your golden syrup in with your chocolate and margarine or butter. And now we're going to pop that into the microwave for around about 1 minute. That may well want a little bit longer, but we'll have a look. No, that's fine. We'll just give that a good mix round. Just good mix round, so it's all dissolved in. Try not to do this. You're probably better off getting a better microwave dish than this. We'll make a well in the middle and just add everything into it. Get everything covered. It's very much like doing a cheesecake base. And all we need is a tray. And into the base of the tray, we put some non-stick paper or baking parchment. Just go with the paper, hold it down and just make sure it's into the corners. A little tip, put a bit of butter on the base. So if you put a little bit of butter in, X marks the spot, then try again. Makes it so much easier. Then we'll place this on the top. Spread it out a bit. Just get your short rolling pin and roll it out. If the bits start sticking to the rolling pin, just put water on it. Now what I want you to let me know is what do you want on the top? White chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever. I'm not doing cheesecake. Remember, these are going to be cut up and we're going to be getting 20 slices out of this. Because cheesecake goes off really rapid, this is going to be in my shop for say a week. So we want something that's going to last 6 days. Alright? Like the base will last forever and a day, it's that type of base, but the topping, I want to be able to put it in my shop and sell it. And that finishes today's vlog, and we'll see you again very shortly on the daily vlog on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!